In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the flip card filter on TikTok. Okay, so once you're on TikTok, you can see all the options at the bottom. If you want to go ahead and get the flip card filter, what you can do is tap on the plus icon in the middle at the bottom. That's going to take you to the TikTok camera, and there you can see it says effects at the bottom left. Tap on effects, and there you can see it says trending, and then that first icon there is the flip card filter. So I can go ahead and tap on that, and you can see the filter in action. So what I can do is tap on the screen, and then I can start recording my video, and this would be how I'm recording my video using the flip card filter. I can let go and then hit the plus or the check mark, and then I can go ahead and edit my TikTok. Now if you're not seeing it within that effects tab, you can go back. I'll discard this. Then you can tap on the discover tab at the bottom, and then you can search in the search bar at the top for flip card. So I'll just type flip card, go ahead and search for that, and the effects should pop up. You can go ahead and tap on flip card. It'll take you to the effects page. You can go ahead and add it to your favorites, or you can tap on the camera icon at the bottom to go ahead and test out the filter. And once again, you can go ahead and record your video with the flip card filter. So that is how you can get the flip card filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.